Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Let's take a look. Just a local updates for VeChain targets updates with my customer sets. First of all, guys, you have to know we can drop with all of these things. What's going on in this crazy world, even to 1 cent. From now, it can be pretty hard. Drop approximately like 300% down. So yes, 300%. Not like people love to count. So we just drop it. 76. It's not a big deal because 76 bounce and we at the break even. No, bro. If we dump from now to the low of COVID dump, and with the current situation in the world, it's more than possible. Unfortunately, I mark this level. Yes, we're gonna dump 300 because from that low to recover back at the break even at this current price, like 0.207, we need to recover back 330%, not 76. So you need to count from the lowest point to the current moment if you would like to know the realistic pumps or dumps. All right, what's good and bad signs now for the VeChain? First of all, a lot of people claimed so the VeChain is dead. Nobody uses this token, guys. Every single altcoin just pure speculation. I hope in the last 3 years, people understand it. With fundamental or without fundamental, any single token, just a pure speculation, period. All right, so we trade on the fundamental value on the weekly time frame. If everything will be okay in the world, and if the market, because of seasonality, recover back, we can pump to 1 cent 23. So it's a test below fundamental value. After that, test buy line on the weekly 1 cent 65. And test even take profit line on the weekly 3 cent 26, exit line at this current moment at 3 cent 69. But lines are dynamic, so I recommend you just use this indicator set and add alerts and track it. Because in today's video about Illuvium, I showed you, imagine the alert we added in real time in Illuvium video in June 2025, and this alert and signal triggered only in March 2026. All that time period you could skip, just not waste the stable coins, not buy every single deep like influencers shield you, and just wait the confirmation. So in this video, I would like to track also what's going on with the VeChain. So guys, like speculation, I'm more than sure one day we're going to test the take profit line and exit line. Some people after that will start draw this head and shoulder. So we have to go to zero. Is it possible? Yes. But I hope we just recover from this move, start build the structure, and maybe even form the third wave, like a sweep of this high around the 8 cents. It's going to be at the top of the top for a VeChain. So I'm not sure now about this gap, what I posted before, like 15 cents. So I'm not sure about it because, 16 cents, it's now sounds like unrealistic one. We have to work with realistic data and with the current situation in the world. So the positive case scenario for the VeChain this cycle, if we're gonna, not this cycle, I hate even this word. So if we formed like 3 drives pattern and hits like 8 cents or 9, everybody starts screaming, we go into the dollar and we going down again. So it is a positive case scenario. More neutral zone is here. So 3-5 cents, it's more than real to see also. So just in case, guys, so be ready to fix some profit there. Monthly time frame also here. Finally, we saw the data since November 25. So the fundamental value of the token in the monthly 1 cent 55. Take profit line, it's 4 cent 17. So this block once again can be like top of the top for this time, not the cycle. So daily time frame, we're more than okay to start buying back this one. Of course, if you without a risk, we can't make money. So you take an action or not. Nobody know where the token will stop, but we build a plan. And I need to find the as much as possible reasons, logical reasons to buy this token. I'm in VeChain, I'm in losses on the spot. That's why I'm not touching this token because I don't want to waste the stable coins again and again and again. So I'm trading now and focus only on the futures position. So daily time frame, we already retested the buy line here in the February 28th. Last day. So would be good if everything will be okay, in the world. Finally, start climbing up to the top to take profit line on the daily 1 cent 30 and 1 cent 49. So this block, it would be good to see the take profit zone on the daily time frame. So just add alerts. I added alert here, take profit line. So I waited that notification. So it's pretty simple. Does it mean if we hit the take profit and we need to open short? No, depends on the time frame. Of course, we can open local trade, intraday trades and catch with a 5x leverage, for example, like 10% drop. So it's more than real and it's more than okay to trade. But depends of your strategy, depends of your plan. If you wait the spot position fixation on the weekly time frame, you just work with the weekly time frame take profit line. For example, if you trade like a swing trader on a daily, wait the take profit line on the daily. This is the accumulation on ADZ. So whales accumulate. So it's not a like distribution zone. All right, no accumulation based on direction indicator on the daily, but we are in a huge accumulation. We've never seen the biggest accumulation ever on whole history on a VeChain on the ADZ indicator. So last time here, it was the June 22, we rebound, but after that, of course, we crash it down again. December, it's if the history repeat, yes, of course, it can be like, let's say here it was a June 22, let's count by days to full recover. So here, if the history repeat, unfortunately, guys, to the last bottom here, it took us 350 days. So, all right, so if we count from the low of now, 350 days, so it can be the, this one. Well, February 27. So, unfortunately, guys, the worst case scenario, if we just repeat itself, this price movement. So we can't know, but this is some type of accumulation. VeChain launches social login feature on VWorld. Just to be honest, this type of news no makes sense absolutely for the price. So right, so they try to post this news like it's something big, but it's not. All right, some accumulation since December 5 on VeChain on the weekly, waiting the accumulation on the daily. All right, so let's take a look at the market mood, money power. Definitely, guys, market mood in capitulation zone. So since September, we are in capitulation. So just like speculation, just like for traders, it's a good one. Because here, money in, money in, money in. Soon, we'll see the rebound, for sure. If this was at bottom, we will see the rebound, 50% of this downtrend move. So this type of. So at least to 410.32, we can rebound, definitely. So 50% of this move. That's why I marked everything around that levels, like 350 and 510s with the weeks. We can see that targets. It can be like crucial moment when we need to fix the profit from the VeChain. At least without initial deposit, guys. So based on the weekly time frame, some money in was last time in the beginning of February. Now nothing. Monthly time frame, yes. First time in history since December, 3 months in a row, the accumulation. December, January, February. March, still not yet. So just wait. At least if everything will be okay with the VeChain, I mean, this token will be not delisted from the exchanges. I think it's definitely the more than okay to start buying back this token. So this is a disbelief capitulation since September 25, accumulation 3 months in a row, money inflow from the whales, from the big guys. So at least 100% recovery move we can see, and it's time to withdraw initial deposit. Take profit indicator, I showed you to trade on. Daily, it's not important. Weekly, the good moment, guys, take a look. We saw the signal sell December 24, take profit, December 25, buy. I wish to see another signal to buy. Triangle up, signal I'm waiting, alert, signal to buy, and it's going to be the reversal move to at least 4 cents. After that, we need to wait the signal to sell also. Now, monthly time frame, there is no take profit signal yet. So let's add alert on the monthly time frame, take profit signal from that sale. So we need to close that sell signal. So this one from buy, take profit, pump, sell. So we need to wait the take profit from the sell. Daily time frame, we're more than okay to buy, guys. So this is like a pure order flow, at least on the daily time frame, where the last impulse. Technically this one. Technically, this is like can be a local break of structure. So impulse correction. So two liquidity pools. If we would like to talk about the local break of structure on the daily, so we need to see something like this one, maybe correction, and start going straight forward to the take profit line on the daily time frame. After that, go into the weekly time frame. So guys, up to you, take a risk or not. Now, unfortunately, guys, everything depends on the news. Everything depends on the news, and this the crypto once again confirms. So it's absolutely useless industry at this current moment without the regulation, you know. And the big guys just use it for speculation and just for the not for utility or for the use case in real world, you know. They use this token just for USD at the end. So this is a fact, and I hope you understand it now. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in the comment what you think about VeChain. If you'd like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write in the DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.